Where's my Perrier? Got no Perrier. Didn't get rose petals in my hotel room this morning. I don't even know why I do this anymore for these losers here at Powermodz, but I'm here to tell you something. Everybody wants these. I don't know what it is about these. Well, I know they're nice and soft and they're warm. They keep you warm on those cold nights. You know, if you don't got your woman with you. Some of us know what that's like, but not me, of course. So we got these here. We are selling these. You guys want a pair of these? Because lots of you are asking for them. We're taking pre-orders on them. We're getting a bunch made. These little babies right here are 250 bucks. If you want them, you just direct message that loser, Skibo. He'll get them for you. It's going to take a few months to get them because, you know, these things take a little while because they've got their handicraft people. They're going to be making these up. Warmest darn mittens I ever did use. I think I could use some for my feet, though. Right there. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. That's my little beaver slipper. I got to thank you guys for watching. It's been a doomed season, but this is the most snow we've had in 1 month. What's with that? What is with that? And then we get out to plant. Look what happens. Old youth in a jai here blows her axle right out of the gizmo there. Skibo's not maintaining nothing. But you know, I'm not gonna lie. I pounded on her pretty hard. That's what we do here. Somebody's gotta ride like a king. If you want them, let me know.